Hi, welcome back to Leetcode. So in this video, I am going to discuss this problem, that is problem number is 3941 and problem name is password strength. So first of all, let's understand about the actual problem statement, what they are trying to say. Uh, you are given a string password, okay? So you actually have a input string password. The strength of the password is calculated based on the following rules. So first rule is that 1 point for each distinct lowercase letter A to Z, small a to small z. Okay, so I'll get 1 point if we actually have some character that is between small a to small z, lowercase letter. Okay, and I will get 2 points for each distinct uppercase letter, means capital A to capital Z. Okay, and 3 points for each distinct digit 0 to 9. 3 points for each distinct digit 0 to 9. 3 points for each digit. Okay, so we actually have any digit between 0 to 9, so I'll get 3 points, and that will be only for distinct digit. And now next rule is that 5 points for each distinct special character from the set ampersand, at the rate, sharp, and dollar. So each character contribute at most one, even if it appears multiple times. So we have to return the integer denoting the total strength of the whatever the input string password. So first, let's understand about the example one. Small a, capital A, then 1 ampersand. Correct. So initially our strength is 0, right? Because I have not seen any character till now. So first of all, I'll first of all see this first character A, small a. So what is the condition? That we will only count the point if the character is the distinct. That means we will counter only once. So that means first of all I have to check that have I actually already seen this small character A. So I have not. This is the first character, so I have not seen any such character of same as small a. So that we should count this. So it is between small a to small z. So what will be the strength for this? So I will actually add plus 1. Correct? Why plus 1? Because this is between small a to small z. Right? So that's why I'll get plus 1. Next, I will go to the next character. This is capital A. Before actually encounter actually the strength or points, I have to first of all check that have I already checked this actual character, or have I seen this character before the current character. So have I already seen this capital A? No. So it should be counted. So they mention that if we actually have any character that is between capital A to capital Z, so the points actually I will get that is actually 2. So it will add plus 2. Correct. Next is 1. So have I already seen 1? No. So what is the condition for this? So it is lying between capital 0 to 9 digit, between 0 to 9. 1 is between this 0 and 9. So how much point actually I will get for any digit? Condition that 3 point I will get for any digit between 0 to 9. So I should add plus 3. Now go to the next character, that actually ampersand. This is actually special character. So have I seen this character before the current character? Is it? No. So how much I will get point? That is, they mention that 5 points for each distinct special character. So I'll actually add plus 5. So total strength will be this. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. That is 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. So our output should be 11. So example 1, output is 11. Correct? Let's see this example. BB, small b, 2 times small b, capital B 1 times, then double 2 times 1. Next it is sharp or has. Okay. So initially our strength is 0. Okay, first of all I will go to the left to right. You can actually explore any way, so I am following actually left to right. So first character is B. Have I already seen this B? No. So I have to add the point. So how much point I will get for this character B? It is between small a to small z. So how much point I will get? I will get 1. So actually I will add +1. Okay, next character. Again it is small v. So before actually counting this point of this for this current character, I have to check that have I already seen this character? Yes, I have already seen. So I have nothing to do here, right? So what actually I will go to the next character directly. So this is actually capital B. Have I already seen this capital B? No. So this is between capital A to capital Z. How much point I will get? 2. So this is the first time I have seen this character. So actually I will add +2. Correct. Next character is 1. So this is between 0 to 9. How much point actually I will get? 3. So this is the first time I have seen 1. So actually I will add +3. The points I will get, that is +3. Next character is again 1. I have already seen this character 1. So I don't need to do anything. So I'll go to the next character. This is Sir or Has. So this character actually I have already, this is the first time I have seen this character. So what is the point actually I will get? For special character I will get 5.5. So this will add 5. So I have already explored all the character present in this input string password. So total strength will be this. So 1 plus 2, this is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, it is again 11. So let's check the output is 11 or not. Yes, for example 2, the output is 11. I hope this actually clear the flow they are trying to say, what is the steps or what is actually the problem statement. I hope this is clear, right? So how actually we can solve this? First of all, this is actually pretty simple, straightforward. Actually, you have to just think about the how actually they're trying to say and just follow that step by step. First of all, before actually adding any points into the strength of any password, input string password, I have to check that this character is present or not. So I need one actual functionality that I have to check that any character I have already seen or not. So for that, I can actually use what? I can use set. Or actually I can store whatever the actual character I have already seen, or I have already added, or I have already counted. Okay, so that actually I'll store in the set. So before actually adding into actually the point, I have to check that this character is whatever the current character is it already present in this set. So I have to check that if current character is present in visited set. If yes, just continue. Right. So they mean, what is the condition? If the current character is already explored or already we have seen that character, so I don't need to do anything. So I'll go to the next character. So that's I'll continue. If it is already yes, if it is present in this set, so I'll continue. Else, this is the first time I have seen this current character. So actually add points and store into the set. Correct. Just we have to just follow these steps. So just go to the code now. So total strength initially it is actually 0. I have returned the strength, total strength of the input string password. Okay, so that's initialized to 0. Now I have to take one set that is already seen, name is already seen. Why this set actually required? Because we need to identify that this what are the current character I have I already seen this character or not, right? So that's why I actually I have to use this set. So now actually I will iterate the input string password. Okay, so first of all I'll check that what are the current character I have, is it already present in the set? If it is not equal to end, that means this is already present in the set. So I'll continue. Else, this is the first time I have seen the current character. Now actually what I have to do, I have to actually store the point, or I have to add the points into the total strength. So that's what is the condition. So I'll just follow this if else that if the current character is between small a to small z, so our strength will be added by 1. Okay. Else if the current character is between capital A to capital Z, so point will be added, 2 points will be added, right, into the total strength. Correct. I have just followed these 4 conditions. So 3 points will be added if it is between 0 to 9. So I'll check that whatever the current character I have, is it between 0 to 9. So strength points will be added, 3 points will be added into the strength variable, correct? Else if the last condition is that if it is between any special character, so that time points will be 5 points will be added, correct? So that's why I'll check that if it either exclamation mark or at the rate or sharp or dollar. If any one of them actually true, so I'll actually add 5 points into the total strength. And before going to the next character, I have to store this current character into the set. That means in the future, if you actually encounter the same character again, it will not be actually, the points will not be added again, correct? It will actually handle this case, this if condition. If it is already present in the set, from the next time actually I will not add any points, right? So that's why I'll store this with this set. And ultimately after actually checking all the actual characters present in this password, input string password, so whatever the strength variable actually I have, whatever the value of this strength variable, this is the strength of the input string, I return that. I hope this is actually clear, correct? And you can see here whatever time value for this. So this for loop will run under the input string, whatever the length of the input string for each character, right? So suppose if the length is n, so it will take big of n time. And here actually you can see that I am actually searching into this sorted order set, so it will take actually log n, right? So again it will take log n, so ultimate time set it will be n log n, correct? I hope this is clear, and I have shared this in the description. You can check that, and you have any doubt, any suggestion, you can comment on that. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe the channel and also like the video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.